Good morning from Sunny Approach. It is a beautiful day here today, and we're going to be going on a walk soon with Cappuccino. Decided that we needed a little bit of a healthy breakfast, so just taking a couple of eggs here and a good healthy splash of milk. I'm going to mix these up in this bowl. Now, yesterday I made some strawberry biscuits.
Strawberry shortcake. Biscuits for strawberry shortcake.
Yes, and so we've got a few leftover strawberries, so these will go really good on what I'm throwing here together today, which, if you can't guess,
It's French toast. Yum. Who doesn't love a bit of French toast?
Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in there. French toast is one of those really easy things to make, but it seems to be incredibly expensive when you go out to a restaurant.
It is like macaroni and cheese. You can either make French toast or you can't. And most people can't.
There's not really that great deal of science to it, but it is kind of messy because you have to take bread and do probably just 3 slices, maybe 4.
We need our carbs before our walk. I'm going to go 4 miles today.
And just, keep putting it in the egg until it soaks. And some people would do this and try to keep their hands clean and stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't like it on my hands.
But sometimes I find that simple is best, and it's certainly easy enough to go wash my hands in the sink. So with that, we're going to go over to the stove after I rinse my hands.
Look how yellow those eggs are. Alright, butter.
Yep, so we're going to go to the stove.
Okay. Alright.
And
I just got a foot shorter.
There we go. Put some butter on the pan. Turn the heat up on this just a little bit.
What's nice about these large pans is they can easily be washed and moved and they're light. So, he's not using his fingers, he's using some of the bread.
So I've got just enough for a 5th slice. I'm going to do that while you show that nicely cooking on the side.
Now that's from our chickens that have full access outside. That's why it's so yellow. No food coloring there.
Yeah, fully free range hens, and the weather has been really good with nice deep green grass right now. Plenty of them.
Yeah.
To enjoy.
That and then eating some dog food.
Yeah, that's not a good thing.
No. They love dog food. Dogs like dog food. So when you have an open farm like we do, sometimes that creates havoc. Slowly cooking.
Now, a mistake that some people make is to turn these things too early.
Keeps turning up the heat.
And also, you may have to add more butter to your pan.
So if you didn't get that, eggs, butter, and milk, and cinnamon. Now I know there's a variation because on our vanilla you can add vanilla too.
You can. Some people add lemon. Some people add cream instead of the milk.
Cream instead of milk. I mean, that's a no-brainer. But that's not what we had. We had milk. Hear that sizzle.
You can move the camera in and get some close-ups of it cooking and give people that full experience.
The sizzle. That was sizzling in the back nicely too. Wow. Now, I always forget, are you supposed to add the cinnamon to the milk to cake it so the cinnamon will then mix in the whole thing? Because I know by putting it on the top, it never mixes in. And from being a kid, I remember there was a way to do it.
Well, I find it better to mix it in at the same time as I add the milk so that it speckles. So now we'll flip. And we're looking for that egg to look cooked.
Because nothing's worse than slimy French toast because it's not cooked all the way. You can see the egg having cooked on some of these, especially that one. Look at the fried egg on the bread. And that's the butter on the side.
Make sure that one gets the full benefit of the butter. And of course the pan may have different heat zones, so move things around as necessary. And then once it's finished cooking to your satisfaction, serve it hot immediately.
Now this is where somebody has to be at the grill to cook the stuff and somebody else is eating. You can't like make a whole platter of these and serve. Well, you could, but it ruins it.
If you need to keep it warm, it's best to have an oven at say 350 and then
A
lay
pan
them.
of water in the oven to keep
No,
it
it makes
steamy?
them soggy.
Oh,
Don't want to steam these.
not like pizza when you reheat it.
Yeah. But you wouldn't want to keep them in the oven for more than maybe 10 minutes or so. So that is basically it. They might get a couple more seconds on here while we get the plates together to eat, but
Yeah.
if you enjoyed our video, certainly appreciate it if you give us some feedback. Likes are always appreciated, and subscriptions to the channel so you can see when we drop new content. And with that, we wish you a sunny day.